Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan saya Faisal Rizdianto dari IAIN Salatiga. This time I'd like to share my knowledge of using Grammarly.com. I use Grammarly Premium. It is a kind of commercial use. It is not a free use. It is better than the free Grammarly. I'd like to share how to edit by the use of Grammarly. At that time, I prepare one article for my blog pakfaisal.com. 7 important tips for registering and optimizing Google AdSense for beginners, beginners bloggers. I use this from Google Translate. I make in Indonesian in Bahasa and then I change into English. When I move it in Grammarly, and there are so many mistakes, because there is a challenge of translating from Bahasa Indonesia into English. There are great difference of syntax and word choice and syntax matter. Okay. Beginners bloggers, beginners in blogging or beginners in blogging. At this moment, we may edit on this box. And there is a suggestion that we should create from passive voice into active voice. So share that unique knowledge. I delete this one via blogging. Via or by means of blogging, and then we should put comma. So Grammarly is very useful to check whether we should put hyphen on these sentences. At the same time, we should change simultaneously. So we do not need to open thesaurus.com to find synonym. And then blogspot, it should be in capital. WordPress should be in capital. So it is very useful. So there is two what sound friendlier. Would you please take free one at wordpress.org? Would you mind? Okay. Would you mind? This is more polite. Then WordPress, and then Blogspot, and then we should put comma. The red underline. USA, it should be the USA. No, there is no the USA. Or we may put the complete abbreviation. United States of America. Competence is more important than performance. We cannot put bold or italic. Okay, and then this is Indonesian juga. So we may the word we may change to be please kindly try to check for typos or wrong grammar. And then Grammarly, for MS Word for the MS Word tutorial, and then paraphrase. Okay, at this time I'd like to continue this one. AdSense. The use of AdSense, we may click this and then delete this one. And then we put comma. We put comma, And there is a problem of the use of passive here. Yeah, the suggestion usually we should consider writing the active voice. Yeah, okay, and then we may uh, change this one. Okay, comma. Yeah, and then difficult to remember, and then my ID domain, which we should put comma. Okay, this one I will rupiah. Yeah, we may put IDR Indonesian rupiah, then uh, put the word rupiah IDR. Okay, and then the word traffic should put comma, and then IDR 200,000, and then we put comma, uh, and then comma, and then comma, and then essential, and then comma, and then we should delete this one, and then we put comma, we delete the word on, we delete actually, uh, okay, this one, we delete this one, we put capital, and then we may paraphrase maybe because possibly wordy sentence. We put capital, we put comma, and then uh, we should write down 3, and then comma for better, and then fewer, and then we delete out. This is Indonesian structure. No. Creative Commons we cannot change. Creative Commons, yeah. Creative Creative Commons is uh, proper name. We cannot change Creative Commons to be Common Creative. Yeah. And then this one, yeah, essential tips. Yeah. I hope, yeah, I put the subject, uh, and then we put this one. Yeah. Okay, and we may check again the other for the possibly wordy sentence. Yeah. And then we may check again the comma. Yeah. And then this one we may check one by one and always rewrite. Yeah. Rewrite and change from passive voice into active voice. Yeah. So that there is no a kind of correction. Yeah. And it should be and yeah. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.